आज हमारे साथ हैं अखिला जी, फिजिक्स टीचर है वहां पर, और हमारे साथ हैं 3 स्टूडेंट्स, अभिजीत, दियास, मुबारक। आप तीनों की खास बात यह है कि जिस एआई टीचर को स्कूल ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है दुनिया के सामने, उस एआई टीचर का ख्याल रखने के लिए इन बच्चों को ट्रेन किया गया है। इन बच्चों ने उस टीम के साथ मिलकर, जिस टीम ने इस एआई टीचर को डिजाइन किया है, उनके साथ मिलकर इस एआई टीचर को बनाने में उनकी मदद की। उसके बाद इन बच्चों को इस बात के लिए ट्रेन किया गया कि स्कूल में अगर कोई मामूली दिक्कत आती है टीचर को, तो ये बच्चे उनका ख्याल रखें। आइए इन सबसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इस एआई टीचर के बारे में, आइरिस के बारे में। हेलो, वेलकम अखिला, वेलकम टू द चैनल।
थैंक यू मैम।
हाय अभिजीत, हाय मुबारक, हाय दियास, वेलकम टू द चैनल।
हाय मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।
मेनी मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस, आप लोगों ने कमाल का काम किया है। वी आर रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू। तो सबसे पहले तो ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो एआई टीचर है, ये आपके साथ स्कूल में रहती है या घर जाती है अपने?
वो हमारे साथ स्कूल में रहती है, एटीएल लैब में, क्योंकि हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने नीति आयोग से हमें दिया है।
तो पूरे दिन आपकी एआई टीचर आपकी क्लास में, आपके स्कूल में रहती है, एटीएल लैब में रहती है, और फिर आपकी क्लास में आती है आपको पढ़ाने, या आप लोग जाते हैं उनसे पढ़ने? अभिजीत?
हम एटीएल लैब में जाते हैं उनसे बात करने के लिए।
और क्या क्या पढ़ाती है एआई टीचर? कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं उन्हें, दियास?
Just research oriented. Teacher can tell any answers, general questions.
What happened when the first time AI teacher was brought to your school in the ATL lab? And I could see a video also in which the AI teacher is coming to the class and shaking hands with the students. Akhila ji.
Okay. Actually, we were very excited when Iris came to our school for the first time. Okay. She went to the classroom only once during our inaugural section. After that, she will stay in the ATL lab itself. After taking the syllabus by the teachers, the students are used to take to the ATL lab and interact with Iris. Iris can answer any question related with any subject.
Okay.
She was updated only up to 2021.
अभिजीत, अपनी टीचर के बारे में, एआई टीचर के बारे में कुछ 5 बातें अगर हमें बतानी हो तो?
शी इज वेरी गुड। जो हम पूछते हैं वो उसके उत्तर देती है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी चीज है। इफ just look like a normal teacher, the teacher only knows about the subject base, but वो यही टीचर है जो हम पूछते हैं वो सब कुछ जानती है। उसका कोई बॉर्डर नहीं है, तो वो सब कुछ हमें बता सकती है।
Yeah, this is something different, and that is what technology has brought for us. Mubarak, what all you have been trained by the Makerlabs, Shyam sir and Sagar sir, about the AI teacher? What training you people have got?
Shyam sir trained, we have 5 students for the running of program working, how program is working, what type of the processor, some things, anything. There's the full details of the AI teacher, and the teacher will interact in how much time, the power, where is the power socket. This is so many details, the full details of Shyam sir's and educator. We have 5 students. We know the program, how programs are working, the Python and generative AI. We ask a question, the question speech to test, to generative AI, the generative answer, the test, the speech to we can hear. This is the main program of this AI teacher.
Okay. And when this AI teacher talks to you, so is what are the languages that she knows? Diyas, what are the languages that Iris teacher knows?
It's totally 3 languages: Hindi, English, and Malayalam.
So Malayalam is your language in the school also?
Yes. Some words in Malayalam can't understand teacher.
Abhijit, what were the challenges while developing the AI teacher?
First was that the network issue. You want to program a new AI, so it was the major issue. The next is the coding. We want to make speech into text, send to generative AI, and then text into speech. So that was the major challenge to make this AI teacher.
So how do you ask the questions, Abhijit, to the teacher?
You can ask only questions if you do what the question words, what, when, then do that. You can increase your vocabulary, make it good. For the Irish teacher only take a good vocabulary questions. So that is the benefit of that.
And Mubarak, what was the first question that you asked AI teacher?
Who is Robert T. Kiyosaki? The first question of I asked her.
Okay, and what did she answer? She answered the correct answer?
Yes.
Great. Akhila ji, when the teacher came to the school, so how do you manage to carry her from to the classroom, and how do you manage to keep her in the ATL lab? Are there certain conditions to be maintained to keep her?
Actually, ma'am, now it is it's worked on base of an application. Shams has generated an application for his movement and all. But if you want to take him to the class, we have to carry her.
Okay. So you have to pick her up and carry her to the classroom?
Pick her up to the classroom, yes.
Okay. And then there we could see that she was moving from the teacher's table to the student for a shake hand. How that was done?
Actually, she is placed in a placed on wheels. So she can move forward, backward, right and left and all, but she can hide the steps. Her movements are done through an application. Okay, we will connect her to, using a Bluetooth, and after that she can move. She will move forward, backward, right, left, and she will give handshake. She will point to something. She can move her head also to right and left.
Please help us understand that when this AI teacher is answering your question, is she using the oral answers? She's giving oral answers, or she can write on the whiteboard or blackboard in the school as well?
No. He'll answer only what we are.
Okay. And did you try to test her with different topics and with different subjects, questions related to different topics and different subjects as well, Diyas?
Yes. We ask so many questions related to other subjects. He will ask all correctly.
And Abhijit, when your teacher is replying to you, what is the mechanism that is working? You all are saying that there are certain, like there is an application in the teacher. So is it installed in the body of the mannequin, or is it on some computer that you are using along with the teacher?
No, teacher. It is developed by the How and By app, the Makerlabs. So it can be installed on a mobile phone. We can control it using the mobile phone with Bluetooth.
Okay. And then
Just like
what you do?
stick car control.
Just like an?
Just like controlling a car, just like giving instructions in the mobile phone. Movements.
Okay. So you are using a mobile phone to control the movements of the AI teacher. This is what I understand. Just like we use a robotic car, a remote control car. That is how you are using your AI teacher for now. The movements of the AI teacher. What about the knowledge, the answers that she is giving? How you are controlling that? How that is fed in the AI teacher, Abhijit?
We are not controlling the language or the answers, because only the movements are controlled in the mobile phone. The answers came from the generative AI directly. We are not controlling it.
Okay. And how do you manage that when you ask a question in a particular language, she answers in that particular language, Mubarak?
They asked the three languages will inserted this time. There's so many languages we can insert, but this time three languages. We convert to a Hindi. We ask a Hindi. They reply in Hindi. We are convert. They ask a English and reply to English. Only that's language.
What is the best thing about this AI teacher and the training related to it, Diyas?
Students are more interested in this AI teacher. A normal teacher saying there will be they don't hear that, but this AI they are interested in this, so they will interested in classrooms. Their English slang will be good to talking with this
who designed the look of the AI teacher? Like she will be wearing a saree and having a bindi and that very Indian look. Abhijit, who designed this look of the teacher?
The design was done by the Shamsar and Harisa.
What is this project under which this AI teacher was introduced to the world via your school?
Actually, ma'am, it is only an idea came to our principal's mind, and it is when we are related with this ATL and all. But actually, we didn't think that this iris become this much famous. And I think through this iris, our school become famous all over India. And actually, we didn't expect this.
We understand that, yes. So how you are trying to how your people, all you students are going to treat your AI teacher with, because she's helping you so much, she's giving you all the answers. So what treat the teacher should get, Abhijit, from your end?
What to say? She's really good. She's managing us really good. So we want to also look after her like that. She's helping a lot.
Yes. So please take care of her and all the best so that you can develop the next level of AI teacher as well.
Ma'am, as a next level, we are going to implement camera on her, and after implementing this camera and all, she will start working automatically.
Oh, great, great. So we will talk
Okay,
again once
after
she starts working automatically. We will talk again about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much to all of you for joining me.